Hey, welcome back to Nate's Happy Hour Bar, where we're coming to you every week to bring you instructions on how to make a new happy hour cocktail. Last week we went over the espresso martini, which includes 2 shots of vodka, 1 3/4 shots of Kahlua, half a shot of white creme de cacao, and 2 shots of espresso. Shaken, pour it into 2 martini glasses, and you can drizzle Baileys down the side and add some coffee beans as a nice garnish if you want. Now this week, we are going to make a drink that is called apple pie. I discovered this drink at a bar in Melbourne, and I love the taste of it, and I'm looking very forward to sharing it with you. So to make this drink today, we are going to need some things. We are going to need vodka, and we're going to need something called Licor 43. We're going to need some cloudy apple juice, some cinnamon, and an apple. All right, now we're going to start adding things into our shaker. The first thing we need is some ice. I want to fill that up about halfway. And now we're going to add our ingredients. First up is 2 shots of vodka. Now this vodka is a wheatgrass vodka. It has a bit of a vanilla smell to it, which really helps us create that apple pie vibe. So we're going to add 2 shots of this. And we're going to add 2 shots of Licor 43. Now Licor 43 is a Spanish liqueur. Again, that it has vanilla and nutty smell to it. It's really, really good. I highly suggest you try it in other drinks. But for this one, since we're going after apple pie, this is what we need. 2 shots of that. Done. And now we get ready to shake. All right, so now that we've shaken our drink, we're going to get our 2 glasses, add some ice to it. And the first part of the cinnamon is a dash of cinnamon in first. And now we are going to pour our drink into our glasses. And do this, we want to go about halfway. And there we go, that's looking delicious already. And now we top it up with our cloudy apple juice. Now the last thing we got to add to this is a little bit of garnish. So we're going to accomplish that with our apple. I'll move these out of the way. Now what we want to do is kind of make a little apple flower. So we're going to cut our apple in half. Cut our apple in half again. And then in half again. And we just need a few slivers of apple. So just a few angular cuts, being careful not to cut yourself with a knife. Like this, and here we go. We can bring our drinks back in. So what we do is we place our apple slivers on top of the drink. And we'll top it all off with a little extra cinnamon. And there we have it. A drink that tastes like apple pie. And there we have it, a drink that tastes exactly like apple pie. I hope you guys try it at home and enjoy. I'm going to take a sip right now. Oh, yeah. Hope you tune in next week where we'll take on another fancy cocktail concoction. And if you guys want to send me some of your photos, I'll be sure to highlight them in next week's video. So tune in next week.